Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to find filters on Instagram. You might be in a situation where you want to look or search for filters for your reels or something else. Now I'll show you a very easy process to follow. Let us first access your Instagram application. And then make your way over to the post section of your Instagram account first by clicking the plus button below. In this page, you're just gonna click the story panel and take a look right on the side of this particular portion. And there you'll see these filters on the side. And if you want to start searching for filters, all you need to do is to click the search button and scroll down the side of this page. And you will notice that all of these filters will begin to load. And it's cool, right? And you can also search for filters by clicking the search button. In this panel, you can also identify the most popular filters by clicking the trending button. And that's it. You can simply click on the one you like. As for instance, I'll select this one. And there you have it. You can now post with filters. If you have any additional thoughts or questions, leave them in the comment section below and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.